Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I did do quite a bit of things today. I did deposit $2,400 into the portfolio. And this is why you see my portfolio is up to $35,294. Even though it's a really bad red day, I should be well under $33,000 now. But I deposited some money. I'll show you right there. See, you started my deposit right there at $2,400 from my account. I also sold off some Jumia stock. I sold off all my Jumia stock. I think this was a good move because honestly, Jumia was the only stock that I wasn't 100% confident in. And I like Jumia, but it's just not Jumia's time right now. I think the time to be in Jumia would be 2024, 2025. So once I start seeing some improvement in Jumia Technologies, then I'll probably start another position again. But as of right now, I wanted to sell off some of that, all of it, to have a lower margin. Also, since I deposited quite a bit of money, I did end up selling some put options today. I sold 6 put options, $7.50 on Tattooed Chef that expire on August 20th. Why did I do this? Because just look at the freaking premiums that I get on this. Look at the premiums that I get on this. 53 cents or $53 per each one, which means I get $316 for the month. And if Tattooed Chef, let's look at Tattooed Chef. If Tattooed Chef gets to $17.50, which I don't think it will in a month, I get to get 800 shares of Tattooed Chef, or how many shares? 600 shares of Tattooed Chef at $17.50, which I think is a freaking beautiful deal. It's gonna be a little bit over my average cost, which is all right. I really don't think that's gonna happen, so I most likely will keep the $316 worth of premium that I get, and I'll probably continue to do this on. And I'm gonna be mostly doing it with a couple companies, right? I'm gonna be selling some puts with Tilray, Tattooed Chef, Corsair Gaming, maybe MP Materials if there's enough volume. I'm also interested in doing it with CCIV. I was gonna do it with CCIV right now, but I was like, nah. Maybe next month. I just woke up. CCIV I might do it with. I also might do it with let's see, probably Palantir. Those right there are the ones I'm most likely interested in doing it. And if I can keep getting around $200 to $300 per month selling puts, because right now the main goal for me for my portfolio is to get this number, my margin, down. It was all the way up to 22,000. Now it's at under 17K. If we can get this number down low as fast as possible, that'll be great. And the lower it goes, the more we can sell puts and the more money we can get per month per selling puts. Maybe next every check, what I plan on doing is to deposit $400, $400 or $500, and this time I'm gonna be consistent with it. I'm not gonna just hold on and then whenever I feel like I deposit a bigger number. No, I'm gonna deposit $400 so we can lower that margin down fast and keep selling puts. And if the market goes down, then we get a good deal if we have to get executed. And then once I get our margin down to a low enough number, I can actually start buying shares straight up if I see a good deal. So that's the plan of the game. I think my strategy is going to be pretty good. I'm going to keep using that margin that we have to sell puts. And technically, it's not even really using the margin until we get executed to buy the shares. So unless by, oh my god, sorry, August 20th, Tattooed Chef is under $17.50, then that's when we're gonna start getting charged for the margin. But as of right now, we just instantly got the $300, $316 for selling the put. I really do not think Tattooed Chef's gonna go to 1750. I really don't. I doubt it will hit 1750. And if it does, then you know what? We get a beautiful deal. And by August 20th, I should be able to deposit. I get deposit next week. Maybe two times. I can deposit 2 or 3 more times. So I'll deposit another $1,200 so we can probably sell some more puts. So the more puts that we can sell, if we can keep selling these puts for about this prices, we can get about $300 per month. And then maybe 400, 500. I think I would love to get about $500 per month selling puts. And the more money we can make from this, the more our portfolio goes up, which means the more margin we can use to do the strategy. And the only thing is that the bad thing is that we won't have any money on the side to buy anything. And if we do get if the market does start to crash, then we will eventually have to buy. And for me, that's fine. That is fine. If we do eventually have to buy Tattoo Chef for 1750, which is such a freaking good deal, I'll probably most likely end up selling the calls for it, selling 600, 700 shares worth of calls, so it's about 7 contracts, which is another 300, $400 per month. See, let's just say we did have we had 7 calls or 6 calls. How many puts do we sell? 6. End up selling 6 of these babies. See, that's $480. That's hella good. Good money right there. And that's the strategy right now. Main strategy. Lower our margin as fast as possible. I don't know how our market value is going down. And we get paid next week, so I'll probably deposit maybe $400, hopefully. If everything goes well. I am going to go on vacation for like about a week and a half, like 2 weeks, beginning of August, so I'm not going to be able to work, so that's going to be one exception right there of depositing $400. Maybe I'll only deposit $200. But yeah, the goal, lower margin as fast as possible. I did lower it really like $5,000 just today, which is pretty good. I'm gonna keep doing that. Market is down tremendously. That's why I did sell call all puts today, because the premiums right now are beautiful.